Meaning of incoherent.
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 Incoherent. The word incoherent refers to something that lacks clarity or logical connection. It describes things that are disjointed, unorganized, or difficult to understand. When something is incoherent, it may be challenging to discern its meaning, as it lacks clear and consistent communication. Communication that is incoherent can lead to misunderstandings, frustration, and confusion. Incoherent speech or writing may be the result of a lack of focus, knowledge, or thought organization. Overall, incoherent represents a lack of coherence or unity and suggests disorganization, inconsistency, or even chaos.